Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Aadhar seeding with records of right, that is RTC in Karnataka. Uh, Let me explain what is Aadhar seeding. Aadhar seeding is one of the process of linking your unique 12-digit Aadhar number with various services such as your bank account, mobile number, or government benefit cards. This app actually ensures seamless access to the services and enables features like biometric authentication for added security. It plays a crucial role in facilitating direct benefit transfers to where subsidies such as pensions and other benefits are directly credited to your bank account. So it can also simplify the process of assessing other government services and reducing the duplications of the records. Other seeding of RTCs, how this is integrated with the Boomi software that I am going to tell. The other seeding of records of right, tenancy and drafts, that is RTC, is a critical initiative aimed at linking land ownership data with the Aadhar numbers to prevent fraudulent transaction and streamline benefit distribution. The Aadhar seeding applications facilitates the linkage of citizens' Aadhar numbers with their land records in the Bhumi, the land record system of the Karnataka. The Bhumi is the software which uses for the keeping the land records. This application is a web-based and it has been endowed with the powers that allows village administrative officers, that is VAOs, who are doing field visit to get consent from the citizen and then bind them officially with their lands parcels in Bhumi through their Aadhar numbers. So in this initiative, the seamless integration of Aadhar with Bhumi aims to enhance the accuracy and transparency of land records management. VAOs are use this web-friendly applications to capture consent from citizens during their field visit and then link this with respect to parcels in the Bhumi database without necessarily compromising the security. This is a simple process which guarantees accuracy of land ownership and enhances the accountability as well as the reliability within the land management system. So, what are the steps involved in the Aadhar seeding? So here then the only three steps are there. For this, the VO has to get the consent of the farmer, that is the citizen, for linking their Aadhar number with Bhumi RTC. And the second step is after obtaining the consent, Bhumi verification and citizen Aadhar eKYC are conducted. In the step 3, then the linkage is completed by mapping citizen plots to their Aadhar, which is confirmed by sending their SMS notifications. So, what are the process involved in this Aadhar seeding? So, number one is assessing the Aadhar seeding application. The VAO will assess the official Aadhar seeding web application by logging into the registered mobile number and selecting the village circle and specific village from which to download its data. The second thing is securing citizen consent and the notification initiation. Upon field visit, the VAO meets each citizen to secure consent from the linking their Aadhar to Bhumi RTCs, initiating the SMS notification process upon consent with an OTP shared by the citizen. And thirdly, performing Aadhar eKYC verification. A citizen verification by use of their Aadhar numbers is then performed using a Boomi interface that stores only temporary vault ID mapped to individual plot owners, thus not maintaining any personal information of landowners. And fourth is displaying registered land. If the citizen land is registered in fruits, that is fruit registration and unified beneficiary information system, that farmer registration and unified beneficiary information system, relevant plots are already displayed. Otherwise, the VO select the remaining plot in the village against the citizen. Say if already that farmer is registered in the fruits, then he need not to do the Aadhar seeding. So only those plots which are not covered in that will be taken into consideration. And finally, the sending final message and OTP validation. Share some details here service 5, this is a flexible section where you can share anything you want. That is, the Bhumi software can send a message whatever it requires for updating the data. And the sixth is uploading data to the database, after which locally stored data are uploaded onto the database using VAO files uploading format that will ensure integration through Aadhar number in Bhumi towards effective management of land records. So what are the benefits of the Aadhar seeding? So number one is the fraud prevention. So Aadhar integration in land transaction acts like a barrier against frauds. By verifying ownership, it prevents anonymous deals, ensuring transparency. This adds security, making records manipulation is very difficult. And the second one is enhance ease of doing business. Integrating Aadhar with a land record simplify property transaction for citizens. This link reduces paperwork and streamlines administrative procedures, facilitating smoother buying, selling, or transferring the lands. And the third one is the direct benefit transfer. Other linkage facilities targets welfare schemes. For instance, farmer can receive subsidies, crop insurance, and other financial benefit directly into their bank account linked to the Aadhar number. This eliminates intermediaries and ensures the efficient delivery of the government services. So, then improved record keeping. A centralized system linked Aadhar with the existing land records could lead to the more efficient records management. This could potentially reduce the risk of lost or tampered land ownership documents. So, standardization and interoperability. Assigning unique land parcel identification number, that is UL pin, to each land parcel and linking with the Aadhar standardize the data and enhances the accessibility across the department. This integration promotes interoperability, streamlining land records management for the greater efficiency. So, other benefits of Aadhar seeding are, that is a comprehensive eKYC implementation, mandate Aadhar-based eKYC for all landowners to enhance accuracy of land records and eliminating duplicate entries. Automated notification. Set up a real-time alerts via SMS, email for any transaction or changes related to the land records, similar to the bank transaction alerts. If any transaction happened in that particular set of numbers, that the farmer will get notification in his mobile numbers. So integration with the Aadhar database. Link Aadhar seeding RTC data with other government schemes and databases to ensure a unified view of land ownership and eligibility for benefits. And fraud prevention mechanism. So it developed an algorithm to flag suspicious activities such as multiple landholding by the same individual under different names and alert revenue officials for the verifications. So the government of Karnataka has already introduced and it is going to complete. So up to April 2005, this is the database. 81% of the total farmers linked in the Aadhars. So there are 4 crore private owners in the Bhumi. So daily 50,000 daily average linkage will be done. So 70 lakhs unique owners are identified by the help of this Aadhar seeding module. So this module, that Aadhar seeding module with records of right, has got 3 modules, that is VAO modules. VAO module has got a mobile version also and as well as a web version. So today I am going to talk about the web version. Secondly, citizen module. Citizen module, he can update his Aadhar number through his mobile or in the web version. So, and the third one is the report and dashboard module. So it is also available in the web version. So mapping and installation of the mobile app for the VAO. Village administrative officers are mapped to their respective village using Bhumi software, ensuring accurate administration. Registered VAOs have their mobile number updated in the Bhumi system to facilitate to assess the application. That means the village accountant has his own circle and he has got 2 3 villages in his circle. So first he has to register his name in the Bhumi software, that he is the VA for this circle and these are all the villages coming under them. Then the mobile app APK is available exclusively on the official Revenue Department website for securing downloading and installation. Only that particular VA whose number is registered can download the application. So no citizen can download this app. So this is designed specially for the VAOs. The app streamlines Aadhar seeding updates to RTC seamlessly. So it has got advanced tools within app help VAO to manage and validate data efficiently while maintaining the security and the reliability. So this is the login page of the VAO model. The VAO should log in into the application using KJID or mobile number, and he gets the OTP. After getting the OTP, so if he enters, then he press the next button. Then the VAO should choose the village circle and village name, and then click get data to view the applications pending for eKYC. So in this data here, there are three buttons. That is, one is pending for VAO, another is pending for eKYC, and another one eKYC needs to be done. So in the pending for VAO, the applications which are all pending for the eKYC will be displayed here. And pending for eKYC, application for which eKYC is not happening in the mobile app will be displayed in the pending for eKYC. So the VAO will choose the application for which other eKYC needs to be done. So this is the screen of other seeding applications. So here has got two options, pending for VAO and pending for eKYC. And below it is shown the list of farmers. Let us take the example of first farmer, that is HM Jairamaya, and after selecting in the U button, so the next screen will be like this. So here district, taluk, hobli, village, application name and will be displayed. So here there are two important things to be noted, that if eKYC is not required, in case if the eKYC is not required, if land is converted, if the farmer is dead, eKYC is not possible, that is the if he is diseased, then if the village accountant, that is VA, village administrative officer, choose this radio buttons, one of these buttons, then that eKYC is not required to be done for that selected survey numbers. So if it is not done, if it is not required, that means the eKYC is to be done, then the farmer has to enter the VAO has to enter the mobile number of the farmer. So then he has to click the I hereby consent for the use of my Aadhar number in the radio button. Then click on send OTP. So then this is the screen, Aadhar seeding screen will be available. So after clicking this, the OTP sent successfully to registered mobile numbers, and the for the eKYC verification screen, that his name will be appeared. So the farmer's name and the farmer Aadhar number is to be typed here. Then after clicking to the next button, so the data will be saved successfully. So and eKYC verification can be done by saving this option. So now I'm going to show the live demonstration how this software works. Good morning, everyone. I am Shiv Kumar Kech, land record expert at the Center of Excellence for Land Administration and Management, Administrative Training Institute, Mysore. Today, I am going to talk about the module of the web application used by village administrative officers in Karnataka for Aadhar seeding with the record of rights. The movie monitoring cell of Revenue Department, Government of Karnataka has developed a web-based application to link Aadhar numbers of individuals listed in the records of rights in Karnataka. VAOs are now performing this task through dedicated mobile application. So additionally, the Bhumi Monitoring Cell has developed another web-based application for linking Aadhar numbers in the record of rights. Today, I will demonstrate how the VAO uses this application to complete the linking process. The URL of the web application is rdservices.karnataka.gov.in /service 62. When you enter the UL in your web browser, the login screen appears like this. The VO must enter the registered mobile number, the same number which he uses during the mapping of the villages to their circle. After entering the number, you need to input the 6-letter CAPTCHA code and click on the next button. So the CAPTCHA code is entered and the next button. So after entering the mobile number, the VO will receive an one-time password on the registered mobile. The VO must enter this OTP and click on validate OTP. So now the number is being entered, validate OTP. Once the validated, the VO will successfully logged into the Aadhar seeding application web page. This is the web page. On this page, you will see the district name, taluk name, Hobli name, which are auto-filled based on the VO's login credentials. The VO must first select their village circle as they may be in charge of multiple VO circle. After selecting the circle, he has to select the village to which he wanted to take the Aadhar seeding job and then click on the get data button. So after clicking the get data button, a list of farmers will appear along with the details such as the request number, owner name, owner relation, survey number, owner extent, and the U button. So additionally, the VO will see three tabs, that is pending for VO, mobile app failed eKYC, and approved cases. The pending for VO tab shows the list of application where Aadhar seeding is yet to be completed. The mobile app failed eKYC tab contains the application that have linked with the Aadhar using the mobile app, but where eKYC verification has failed. The approved cases tab displays application where both Aadhar taking and eKYC have been successfully completed and approved. Let us focus on the pending for VO Aja. When the VO clicks the pending for VO tab, the list of application along with their corresponding survey numbers will appear. The VO can select the survey number they wish to process and click on the U button. So this action will display the detailed information for that particular survey number. The detailed view includes the district, taluk, hobli, village, application number, survey number, owner extent, owner land code, application name, and the applicant name and the relative's name. If the VAO unable to complete the Aadhar seeding and eKYC, there are specific reason provided for such cases. The land there are four cases. The land is being used for non-agriculture purpose, that is converted for construction or industrial use. eKYC cannot be done because the owner is deceased. And the third option is the land is government owned. And fourth option is the land has been acquired under the Land Acquisition Act. Each of these reasons is listed with the corresponding radio button. The VO must select the applicable reason and click the save details. By doing so, the system marks the Aadhar seeding process for that survey number is no longer necessary and the case is closed. So if he clicks any of the four buttons, the Aadhar seeding will not be done for the survey number and it will be marked as it is done. So now saving the details. Okay. If none of the four special cases options apply and the VO proceed with the Aadhar seeding for a particular survey number, the VO must enter the mobile number of the farmer. This number should be the one linked with the farmer's Aadhar. By entering the number, the VO obtains the farmer's consent to link the Aadhar with the records of rights. So the mobile number of the citizen or the farmer is being entered. The VO then clicks the OTP. This sends one-time password to the farmer registered mobile number. So now send OTP. Click. So once the farmer receives the OTP, and the VO enters this OTP into the application and clicks on verify OTP. After verification, the Aadhar KYC verification screen appears. Sometimes OTP may be delayed for a few seconds. Now the OTP is received and it is being entered. So now the next screen appears. On this screen, a message will be displayed. The farmer has read the other eKYC consent message sent by the department on this mobile and shared the OTP. The VAO must select the confirmation option, enter the citizen's Aadhar number now, and click on Go Next to proceed with the eKYC process. So Aadhar number is entered now. So now, after completing the previous steps, the eKYC service screen will appear. This screen includes the key details such as the department name, in this case it is a revenue department, and the purpose, that is the land and property relation validation. The VO must enter the Aadhar number of the farmer once again here. So then below that a detailed consent text is displayed which reads, I hereby consent for the use of Aadhar number on a voluntary basis for yes no demographic authentication or for fetching my identity and other information for the purpose of eKYC through UIDI using Aadhar OTP or biometric authentication with UIDI and to be used for checking land and property related services offered by the department. The details may be sent against the registered documents created by IT system. For consent and other purpose not mentioned above, I have been provided alternative means by the department for KYC purpose, including physical KYC by submitting official valid documents, and I have voluntarily chosen Aadhar based KYC. I understand that the biometric and or OTP I provide for authentication shall be used only for authenticating my identity through the Aadhar authentication system for the specific transaction and for no other purposes. So the VAO must be acknowledged. Now he has the four options. That is, one is OTP, face capture, and fingerprint. Now the OTP is being selected. So now he will get the OTP now. The VAO selects the OTP made for the authentication. The farmer then receives the OTP on their registered mobile number. This is the second OTP. The first was for the consent to link Aadhar with the records of rights, and this is the second one specifically for the eKYC purposes. So now you can screen the VAO assess the OTP and submits button. So immediately after clicking, the message appears stating Aadhar name and RTC owner is not matched. The VAO must click the OK button. Following this, the system displays eKYC matching details on the screen, which includes, see, this is the photo of the Aadhar of the farmer, and the name as per the Aadhar is given, and address is also shown, and eKYC stated whether it is a success or not, it is also shown. If the name in the Aadhar and record of right matches above 80%, eKYC is considered successfully matched. However, if the match is below 80%, it is treated as not matched. So after successful match, the VO must certify two key statements it is mentioned above. That is, I have verified the identity of the applicant against the Aadhar eKYC information. And the second one is I certify that the Aadhar holder is not the legal owner of the selected, is the legal owner of the selected land. So if the name matching is 100% fully matched, this certification screen does not appear at all. Finally, the VO saves the certification and the next screen will appear to continue the process. Now both are selected and the VO is clicking the save button. Yeah. So in the next screen, the Aadhar seating dashboard appears, which shows key details such as district, taluk, hobli, village, application number, survey number, owner extent, owner land code, applicant name and relatives name. It also displays the citizen mobile number and citizen Aadhar number, both of which are already filled in. So along with this information, a section for the fruit ID, that is farmer registration and unified beneficiary information system, owner is also visible. If the farmer whose Aadhar is being linked has already registered various survey numbers in the fruit software, all those details will appear here. However, if no records are found, the system will display the message stating no record found. If the farmer has other survey numbers that are yet to be linked in the fruits, the VEO can add them by clicking option click here to add survey numbers that don't contain FIDs. Once this option is selected, the entire list of these survey numbers for the village will appear on the next screen, allowing the VA to proceed with the adding the relevant details. Now he is selecting particular survey number and the name and check boxes. So now his name is being added here. So after completing this task, the VAO clicks the update eKYC button now. So he can add as much as the survey number which are not available in the fruit and which are listed. So now he has to press the update KYC. So here the VO must confirm clicking yes, it is correct if everything is accurate, or click no if any corrections are needed. So please read the message. Please make sure if you have selected once, it cannot be corrected again. So now the after clicking yes, the screen appears pre-filled mobile number along with the list of selected survey numbers and name of the owners. So at this point, the VAO presses send OTP button again to obtain the OTP verification, which is needed for taking the farmer's consent once more. The VO enters OTP. If the OTP is not received within 30 seconds, the VO has the alternative option to enter date of birth and click verify. Once the verified, the eKYC process is completed for all the selected survey numbers. The VO must now capture the photo of the farmer by clicking the capture photo button. The app camera is activated now, allowing the VAOs to take farmer's photo within the application itself. After taking the photo, the VAO saves it and then saves the data into the app. So now the photo is being saved. Yeah. After everything is complete, the Aadhar setting process finishes and message stating success, data saved successfully will appear. Clicking OK will close the message, and this application will now move to the approved cases list in the main menu. So the VO can continue this process in the same way to complete Aadhar seeding and eKYC for all other survey numbers. That's all. Thank you. So thank you for